Ang problema ko po now is gusto na i-end na yung kung ano meron sa amin ni girl, which is FUBU. Dahil daw sa kinokontrol ko daw siya and manipulative daw ako. Kahit hindi naman. Saka sinabi rin niya na ayaw niya na lagi magkasama or something, napapasama ako. Since paano ko malaman maayos mga ayaw niya kung hindi ko naman siya nakakasama. Saka hindi naman kami lagi magkasama, minsan may agwat naman. Kaya hindi ako payag sa desisyon niya. Kasi iniisip ko hindi kaya gusto niya lang lumipad sa ibang hawla para makatikim naman ng bago, or hindi kaya gusto niya bago naman kaya hindi ko alam gagawin paano ko mapapabago desisyon niya para hindi mag-end relationship namin as a FUBU. Please advise po, Sir Boss Sweet. Bro, mukhang nami-misinterpret mo yata kung ano ibig sabihin ng FUBU. Ang FUBU ay damit. Charot! Sigarilyo, ganito kasi yan ano. Kung magka-FUBU kayo ng isang babae, in essence, parang open relationship lang kayo niyan. Kung gusto niyang tumikim ng ibang toothbrush na may ugat, wala kang magagawa doon. Bakit? Kasi you guys are not in an exclusive relationship. Mag-FUBU lang kayo. Pero by the same token, of course, ikaw pwede ka naman tumikim ng ibang calamares kung gusto mo. And wala siyang say doon kasi hindi naman kayo exclusive. Actually, that's the main reason kung bakit nangayaw itong si girl sa status nyo na FUBU. Kasi halata na sa message mo na you are trying to lock her down in a relationship. And by doing that, you are displaying weakness. And women do not like that. If the man is displaying weakness or neediness, the woman will lose attraction for him. Kita mo, sabi mo na ayaw mong mawala yung status nyong dalawa as mag-FUBU. That indicates that your mindset right now is you want to lock her down on a relationship na and preventing her from seeing other guys. You are in the mindset of relationship and she can feel that. Kahit sabihin mo sa akin sa message mo na hindi ka controlling, pero based dun sa tone and delivery ng message mo, sigarilyo, nagiging controlling ka nga. You sound needy. Why? Because you're treating your so-called relationship as an exclusive one. And your mindset right now is trying to lock her down on a relationship. And regarding naman to sa tanong mo na, paano mo mapapabago yung decision niya na i-end ang relationship nyo as mag-FUBU? Well, there's nothing you can do about it because you have already over-pursued na and her attraction for you has dipped down so bad, bro. What you should do now is stop being needy, sigarilyo. If she wants to unilaterally change the course of your relationship, then say, yeah, that's fine. But if in case you change your mind, give me a call. Then from here on out, let her do 100% of the pursuing na. In other words, walk away and never look back. Kasi at the moment, her attraction level for you has dipped down below a 5 na because of your weakness and neediness and over-pursuing, and of course, because of your mindset na you want to lock her down on a relationship. Now, by walking away, never looking back, there is still a chance na she will reach out to you in the future. Once she does, it must mean that her attraction level for you might have gone up. And so when this happens, take this opportunity to ask her out on a date. If she says yes, then set up a definite date. Pero mind you, kapag nasa date ka na ha, just follow the 3 H's. Have fun, hang out, and hook up. And this time, bro, don't focus on having a relationship with her. Just have fun lang while you're on a date with her. And if you play your cards right, hook up at the end of the evening. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo, sigarilyo. And if you guys want me to help you out with your problems, the easiest way is to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. Just click the link in my bio if you're on TikTok, or check the link in the description box if you're on YouTube. Peace.